So, welcome to Module 4. And in this module, we are going to cover what is your best bet. So, let's compare the different ways of you can make an income and see which one will be worth it for you. So, we'll be looking at a 9 to 5 job. What does it entail? What is the input and the output for a physical business, online tasks, and online businesses? So, I tried all four of these things and basically took what I've learned and packaged it in module 4. So, if we look at getting a job, I was a teacher. I've spent 80,000 Rand, studied for 6 years of sacrifice just to work 40 hours a week, grinding away for a monthly paycheck that was not worth half my effort. I felt guilt, missing precious time with my kids, and getting nowhere. So I got a side hustle and I worked harder, traded more time for more money. Not much money though, but the result was after 10 years, I hit burnt out and I was literally broke like a joke. And then physical business, I tried a bakery, spent 20K buying used equipment just to start. I had monthly expenses, rent, wages, inventory. It was stressful, it was tiring, it was a hard work, little profits, and I failed because the business wasn't breaking even. So most businesses are expensive to start. They require monthly expenses. They are hard work for little profits, and you break even between 3 to 5 years before you can even make decent profits, right? That's if they even survive. And then you get online opportunities, like surveys, data entry, playing games, walking, watching ads. That made no sense because I was being paid in cents. It wasn't sustainable, and I wasn't building anything um, long term reliable. I tried Etsy, dropshipping, KDP, print on demand, you name it. I tried it, and the truth, those modules are built to burn people out and give you little profits. There's too much guesswork, too much hard work, too little profit, and the result is that you waste your valuable time and energy not building anything sustainable. So let's compare them all so that you can make a decision on what is best for you. So 9 to 5 physical labor is actually high to moderate. A startup, 80,000 Rand. Monthly cost, you need petrol money at least. Time to start, you can start only 3 or 4 years after you studied and applied for a job. Income is fixed. Salary is your schedule. There's no flexibility, no time freedom because your life is controlled by your schedule. Scalability, the more time you trade, you can get a little bit more money, but obviously with more time and more stress. So it has perceived security, but limited growth and freedom, right? With a physical business, very high physical labor. You need to learn a lot of stuff, especially financial management. Startup costs is quite high for a physical business. I think it ranges between 20K. It's the cheapest type of business. It will start at 20K. You have to pay monthly costs like rents, wages, stocks, and so on. It takes a time to start to see profits, right? Income potential, you start low at the beginning, medium after 5 years, you can start seeing medium profits and high profits after 10 years only, right? And you also basically controlled by the business hours, right? You have limited scalability, but there is scalability depending on how much cash flow you have. And businesses really have a high failure rate without like genuine business skill and patience. Then you get online tasks like service, games, listening to music. There's no physical labor. It's not difficult. You don't need anything to start. Don't need monthly costs. You can start immediately, but you get paid in cents, and that makes no sense. You are spending a lot of your time, so there's no real time freedom. You can't really scale. It's a time waster with not a real income source. Then you get jobs, online jobs like transcription, typing, translating, all those things. There's no physical labor involved. It's not really difficult. All you need is basically a laptop, a Wi-Fi. Monthly costs low. However, you can only get a position if you can get a position, if there's a position available for you. The income potential is medium to low. That's if you even get into a company. Remember, because thousands people globally are applying for the same job, the likelihood of you getting something and how often is very, very low. All right. Scalability is not very, there's not a lot of scalability, but you basically get low income, and you're not building an asset. Then you have other online businesses. Um, it requires a lot of effort, with very low income, right? KDP is something I did that didn't work out too well because the profits were too low. And yeah, I needed to pay monthly for my Canva account and so on. Selling low end digital products can work, right? You can make a good profit from it. It requires time to create. Um, Profits are okay, but it needs consistency. You need to build an email list and a brand. And high-end digital products, you don't need any physical labor. Um, Difficulty is not very difficult. The risks will start up. You can start from 3K to 18K once off to start a legitimate online business. There's no monthly costs attached. You can start earning very fast, between 7 and 30 days. Income potential is very, very high. Time freedom is very high because you have your automated system working in the background. Scalability, you can scale for as big as you want to go. This is best for scaling fast with mentorship or the done for you system. All right. So and this is exactly what I started an online business with products I did not even have to create. I didn't have to take time or effort to create any products. My website was done for me. I got 100% profits. There's no monthly expenses attached to this business. And if this seems like something that you would like to do, this type of business model, which is called digital marketing with master resale, right? So where you get everything done for you, so done for your business. Then module 5 would be something that you'd want to watch, to get all the details about this type of business. I hope that you enjoyed this session, and I'll see you in the next module.